Hello, wonderful people. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own custom, not really fully custom, but at least you'll get a bit of a start. You're starting logos for free right on Canva. So, yeah, that's what we're going to do. So, we are here on Canva. You can use it either on mobile or on your browser. I prefer the browser version. So, let's just create a design, then just type in logo. Then here you have everything. You want the Twitch logo, anything. I guess I would prefer like a YouTube channel or Twitch logo because that's higher pixels, 800 by 800. You can actually add more pixels if you want to. But yeah, we can already see the templates here. So one thing, you can do this thing and then just replace your picture. So example, I'm just gonna add my own picture here. If I see one, just drag it here and then just zoom it a bit, do it like that, and then just auto adjust everything, just the colors if I want to. Then just change my name, I guess PJ Rez's Gaming if I want to. That's basically it. Of course, this is not it. This is just a template if you really want to change stuff. But yeah, you can basically have this as like your reference. So all you need to do is duplicate it. Then if you want to, you can just delete this, then delete that. No, everything. Just stick with a circle if you want to show your face and stuff. Okay. So there's actually lots of different templates here. If you want to, you can just use this, then change some stuff. But I prefer to have a little bit of more like customized. So let's just find a circle. Then let's just go on to graphics. And there are some cool stuff on graphics. For example, we can do kind of like this one. Now this one looks great, right? And then make sure, oh my god. And I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna center this first. Okay. Now it's centered. Now I'm gonna center this as well. And then we're just gonna make sure that it fits. Sometimes this doesn't work the way you think it would work because I don't think this is the right circle for it. But we just keep resizing it until it fits. You can hold on the control key so that it won't snap to the corners. I don't think this is an accurate circle. That's probably why it's not working as it's supposed to be working. I'm not sure if this is an actual circle, but So yeah, you're basically just watching me making my own logo and stuff. I'm not gonna be using this, by the way. I'm just showing you how it could be done, how you could do it. Okay, we're just gonna adjust it a little bit. That's probably enough. Do that and then just group it. I'm just gonna remove the name. So now we have this one. Now we just expand it. Oh my god. Press Control so that you can expand it like that. So you can have that. For the background, we just need to type like anything like RGB background. This is an example for if you want a gaming side, okay? If you want something like this, just right click, set image as background. If you want to do that, there's lots of backgrounds here that you can use. You can also do this one if you want to. That looks ugly for me though. You prefer to choose it on the Photos tab. You can have it set up like this one. Or let's make something like that, I guess. I don't know, I'm such a minimalist guy, so these kinds of backgrounds don't fit for me. This is probably what I like. And then there you go. Then just add text. There's already some good templates here to use on. And I'll probably use this one. I'll just ungroup it, remove this white text, just keep the orange one, and just name it PJ Resos, something like that. Put like this, and then center it again, and that's probably it. If you want it to be a little bit more professional, I would rather just remove the name, make sure this is centered, then just expand it like that. Because when you upload this on like YouTube or your Facebook, it will just wrap it into a circle anyways, because this is not like below 2016 where everything is still square. Circles are everything right now when it comes to profile pictures. You can have something like this, so this is pretty easy, right? And you're basically done. And yeah, it's totally free on Canva. You can. I know I'm on premium. You might notice that I'm on premium Canva, but everything that I used here is all free, except for this one, the text. I use a pro one, but there are other good templates. You can actually just find. If you want this, just find the font. So this font is called the Hyperwave one. I don't know if that's a premium one. Oh yeah, it is a premium one. But there's are lots of fonts in here if you want to. So I would rather just use the fonts on your cover photo and stuff, not for the logo itself. If you want a more normal logo, you can actually add like gaming logo. Then you can add graphics, and there are lots of what you call it, logos right here. Like you can add this one. Look, it's a dragon. You can use that if you want to. There are lots of stuff. The only thing that is different is if you don't have pro, then don't use the pro ones. But there's lots of stuff you want to add. You can basically add like, you can just add this one. This one looks legit for me. Like even just a logo like this is already good. Like if you don't have a budget to pay for someone to make you a custom logo, you can just do this stuff, right? If you want something different, like we can add something like this one, like something like this. Just change the color into sort of like that one, I guess. Wait a minute. I just enlarge this, and then we add an effect. If there's an effect, edit, then add shadow, add an outline, and just do that, right? Add a color, make it a bit make it a bit darker, something like that. Then just add let's add a fox graphic. This one is premium though, but just in case. And look at that, you have your own logo. If you're not gonna do that, then just do this one. You can also do that. Just change the colors, make it something like, I guess, something like this, or you can do it something like that. And then you can edit it again, add shadows if you want to, add a glow. There, you can do that a little bit. Make it, I guess, yellowish. Make it glow. Or make it orange. And look at that. It already looks great as your logo. And this will work out. For example, there's like a fox kind of logo for a gaming channel. You can make something like this. And it's pretty easy to do. And again, I did this all for free on Canva. So you can make one too. And it's pretty easy. Making logo is pretty easy, guys. It's the content stuff that matters. Like right now, you can basically do any logos for your profile picture. That logo, it's not a huge factor when it comes to your channels. I guess it's a marketing thing or a branding thing, but what's really more is your either your name or your content. You have to focus on those two more rather than your brand, your branding. You can add that. We can change it to something like this. This is a bit cartoonish, but yeah, you can do that. And then you can also change it to something like where is it? Hey, look, you can pixelify this one, and then now upload an over select when your channel turned on. Okay, apparently this has bugs, so we're not gonna do that. But yeah, again, you can pretty much just do stuff like this. And it's free. This one I like. Actually, I like this one better. And again, I told you, everything is free. It's free on Canva, so, why not just do this? And yeah, basically you have the logo. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and it could help kickstart your channel if you want to. You have an image of Ninetales here, right? Like, this one is also a great one. Look at that. Look how great that looks. Anyways, I'm just rambling on and on about this, but yeah, just go to Canva and just basically use this. It's really easy to do some logos right now, and Canva has just been improving a lot. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Share this to your friends. Leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below what tutorials you want me to do next so that I can help you with that. And yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye, guys. Thank you so much.